This is the Leica Q3, and I'm getting rid of it for something much, much better. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Saab on Cars. So I've had this Leica Q3 for about 2 and a bit years. I bought it in July 2023, and I pretty much ordered it as soon as it was announced. I'd always wanted a Leica. Getting one had been a long time kind of goal of mine, and getting this camera really represented something important to me. It's something that I'd aspired to for many years. I had, over the years, those of you who will remember Digital Rev on YouTube and will know Kai from Digital Rev, I'd watched all the Leica reviews on there, and I had really spent a lot of time lusting after the Leicas. The whole rangefinder thing, I suppose, didn't appeal to me as much, not to mention the cost of an M11 or M12 or whatever it is right now, plus the lens is more than twice what are these. So when the Q3 was announced, with the sensor, with everything it had, I was like, yep, now is the time. Bear in mind, these have gone up a fair bit. I think these were 9,900 when I got them. These are like 10.9 or maybe 11.5 now. And you've also got the Q3 43 now. This here is the Q3 28, the original lens. It's got the macro functionality on there. It's overall a fantastic camera. So why am I getting rid of it? A few things really. One thing is the cost. Now, if I were to lose this camera tomorrow, could I afford to replace it? Yes, I could, but it would hurt. I have been known to leave things and lose things over the years. It's, you know, a little idiosyncrasy of mine where sometimes I forget things. I remember I have left this camera in a restaurant more than once, and every time this happened, I freaked out. I was like, oh my God, I've just lost $10,000. Luckily, all the times it happened, it was, the camera was still there and I was able to get it again. The other thing though with this camera is that despite its amazing image quality, its amazing build quality, I just can't quite gel with a 28mm lens. That field of view just isn't me. I'm more of a 35mm guy. I bought the Fuji X100 when it first came out many years ago. I think I was on holiday in Hong Kong, and that's when I'd seen all the advertisements for it around. I was like, wow, what is this? Once it was available in Australia, I picked one up and I really enjoyed that camera. Then I sold that one. I got the X100F. I sold that, and I got the X100V, I think. No, not the V, the one before the V. Is that the S? Oh, anyway, I had the X100, the X100S, and I think the X100F. I've had 3 of them. The last X100 I had, I sold to help fund this purchase, and I've always felt something missing. So what have I done? I've got myself an X100VI, or an X100-6, call it what you will. And here it is, guys. This is my new X100. It's been sitting in its box for a while. I haven't opened it yet. So I'm gonna, oh, I've got a little spider here. Let's leave him alone. Got my trusty little knife. And we're gonna open it up and share this experience with you all. Oh, that was easy. Didn't need the knife, just, well, you know what, might as well just. Oh, there we are. Now, I got this from DigiDirect. I ordered it around the Black Friday sales. It's been a while since I've had it. I've been so busy, haven't got around to opening it yet. And it took a few weeks or a few months for it to arrive, actually. These cameras were basically unobtainable for the longest amount of time. I think now they are a lot more attainable. So let's open it up. Why would they do this? Why would they stick this onto there? It's completely unnecessary. There we are, throw it away. The tape. Don't need the knife at all. I don't like boxes like this that aren't sealed from the factory because you don't know if someone's opened it up, played with it, and then put it back together. I hate that. Not that I don't trust DigiDirect, but you know, it would be nice if it was unopened. Exclusive free trial, Capture One. Got the cardboard box. And here we are. Ah, yes. What else does it come with? It come with a charger. Oh, battery, that's important. The USB-C cable. It doesn't come with a charger. What the, why not? Why would it not come with a charger? I hate this, guys. Cameras that don't come with a charger. Like, yeah, you can charge the camera and the battery in the camera, but having a separate charger is so much better. Luckily now you've got third-party brands that are all available for fairly cheap, which I'll come on to a bit later. Again, this, you see, someone could have actually just opened this up and you would never know if it was a virgin camera or not. Yeah, it looks pretty virgin to me. So for size comparison, check this out. Hold this up. This is one of the other reasons that I forgot to mention about the Leica Q3 that I don't like. It's not really any more portable than, say, a Sony a7C II with a lens on it. In fact, a Sony a7C II or even an a7 III or 4 or 5 or whatever they're up to now with a pancake lens is more portable and smaller than this. The only real benefit of the Leica, in my opinion, is the build quality. Honestly, yeah, it's got an amazing lens. It's fantastic quality. Honestly, my opinion these days is that all lenses are pretty much good enough. I think all lenses made in the last 20 years are pretty much good enough for what you're going to use them for. There's very few situations where absolute sharpness at, you know, a 1-inch distance is a requirement for a camera. I think, yeah, most lenses do a pretty good job, especially if all you're doing is viewing photos on Instagram or whatever. Like literally anything will work. Let's feel this. Feels solid. I mean, yeah, the Leica definitely feels better. But look at the weight difference. Jeez, so much better. Bit shaky. Oh, that must be the optical image stabilization. How does this come off? Oh, yep, just pull that off. That's kind of cool. I mean, that is a very smart looking camera. A lot of people get the black. I love the silver. I think the black and silver just looks amazing. Viewfinder is great, nice and bright. Let's chuck the battery in. Hopefully it's charged. Oh yeah, there we are. Oh, geez. Okay. On my X100, the old one, we had the menu button there, then we had the D-pad, the arrows there. That was much nicer than this little joystick. This joystick is stupid. Area setting, where are we? GMT plus 10, I think. Daylight savings is on. What's the time? Don't know, what's the time? Geez, what's the date? Let's just do this later. Images can be easily transferred to the smartphone app. Don't worry about that. Awesome. I love this, how you can just press this lever to switch between the optical and the hybrid viewfinder. That's awesome. Oh, that aperture lens, that aperture ring feels very nice. Compare that to the Leica. That's the same. Very, very nice. The Fuji is ever so slightly stiffer, but this could be because it's new. Now, I did get a few accessories to go with this. I'll show you what they are. First up, I got these batteries. I found these on Amazon. The brand is Lolano or something. What's cool about these is that these are USB chargeable. Now, I didn't know that the camera doesn't come with a charger when I bought this. Maybe I should have bought the batteries that you can get with a charger. But what I liked about these was that when you're traveling, you don't need to take a charger with you. So these batteries, you charge them by just plugging them into a USB-C port. So you can fast charge them. I think that's really cool. And also, another thing, I picked up this little half case. I think one of these is very important. I've got a little half case on my Leica as well. Just when you put it down, you don't want to scratch it or damage it. It's quite expensive. Even though this is a lot cheaper than that, it's still quite expensive. Let's open this. Oh, it comes with a strap as well. I won't be using that. Let's be using these Peak Design ones. Oh yeah, that's leather. Oh, this is cool. So it's got a, it screws in with this, and it's got a threaded insert there, so you can use that with the tripod. This just will go on like that. Oh no, this way. There we are. Beautiful. I've also got myself a screen protector for this, which is sitting somewhere. I'll have to put that on. Awesome, that's nice. It gives you a bit of a grip, makes it nicer to hold. You've still got access to the SD card, the USB-C charging, and the, where's the SD card in this? Oh, you got access to the battery port, which is great, I think. I think you do. Yep, you do. SD card slot is there at the bottom. Awesome, I'm really looking forward to using this. I'll report back on it soon and any other accessories that I get. Until then, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video and want to see more videos about things other than just cars as well, unfortunately, you know, I can't afford to buy cars as often as I can, stuff like this. But there's more car content coming soon. We've definitely got more car content coming. We've got more Porsche track days. We've got a video on upgrading the exhaust on the Porsche to give it some more volume coming soon as well. So be sure to check that out. Oh, one last thing. I'm gonna take this little soft release button off there and just put it onto here. They just look cool. I love how they feel. That is fantastic. Ah, beautiful. Really looking forward to shooting with this, guys. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of yourselves. Cheers.